Yeah, family. So actually, pull up in a GTC and do some business, some runnings, and actually, hey Mona, what's up? You guys?
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Hello.
This is the
New office.
new office. It's nice. I love it. Yeah, family. So I'm surprised to see.
You see the big model now?
Mona, yeah. Yeah, family. So let's take it away, Mona. Tell me more about this. This is the first time I'm seeing this, and I'm so excited.
This is the first day, I must say.
Yeah.
It's the first day. Let me show you here.
Okay.
See?
Wow.
It's amazing. It's amazing. I think this is the first project who uses such model.
Oh yeah. This module,
Engineer.
this module is so like
Exactly.
advanced.
Yes. So now I can present now. Yeah.
Perfect. Wow.
This is the Belgravia Place model here, and we have vehicle road will be here. Our 4 basement entrance and exit will be here, which is garage entrance only for residents in the future. Semi-ground parking floors. Semi-ground parking floors will be here. So for visitor, we have the garage entrance will be here. They come to here. Then parking. Yeah. We have a security gate here. So residents walking back, they enter the security gate, access to. Then we have a staircase. They should go up a staircase, then into our lobby area. This is our lobby 1, lobby 2. We have outdoor space garden. So you also can sit in here in the future. As you can see, the main road is here. But
And this is where in Kileleshwa, right?
Yeah, Kileleshwa, exactly.
Okay.
So here, as you checked our site before, we have a big tree. A lot of big tree here. Very mature tree line. Yeah.
Wow.
Then we have our restaurant here, 350 square meter. Indoor space, outdoor space. So you can stay here in the future as well. Yeah. And also on the mezzanine level, we have ground floor, mezzanine level, and the rooftop for lifestyle amenities. We have 24 residential floors between them. Yeah. So now let's see the mezzanine level. The mezzanine level is organized into 2 distinct areas. Block A, work study area. Block B, lifestyle and service area.
Wow.
So block A here, co-working space with cafe. Yeah, co-working space with cafe. Indoor space, working area. Outdoor space, sitting area.
Wow.
So you can socialize with your friends and with your family in the future here. We also have a space here. You can see private meeting room.
Wow.
Private meeting room. So for some clients, they want to work remotely. Yeah, they can have a meeting here with their colleagues. Yes, or businessmen. Yeah. Then block B, we have children play area will be here. Laundry service room will be here. Convenience store will be here actually. Then we have our property management will be here. We have entertainment room. The entertainment room now, as you can see, we just pour 2 per table here to make this space more flexible. It also can adapt for some other community events, gatherings, or activities as well.
Perfect.
Yeah. Then the rooftop, we still have a lot of lifestyle amenities. The rooftop block A, we have a paddle court.
Paddle court.
Paddle
Wow.
court, 120 square meter. Yeah.
Wow.
We have a gym with a sauna this side. Yeah, that side. Gym with a sauna.
Wow.
Gym with sauna. Yeah. Gym is here, floor to ceiling window. Mirror
Wow.
wall, recessed the ceiling, also very unique. Sauna is here. We have sauna. Then block B. From block A to block B is connected by a sky bridge, as you can see here. From here to here.
Oh wow.
We have
So we have that
sky bridge,
space
exactly.
inside for the pool and stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
That is a courtyard. I will explain more here. Then we have our swimming pool here.
Okay, nice.
Infinity
Infinity.
swimming pool
Infinity.
with sunset view and the forest view. Because
Wow.
this side, the back side, which was Lavington and Nevada, a lot of forest view.
Wow.
And this side, inside, we also have a poolside lounge. You can take a drink with your friends. It's very relaxed
okay,
in the
nice.
future.
Oh, wow.
Exactly, yeah. As you can see, the building, the total size of the land actually is 0.5 acre, consists of 2 blocks, block A and B. The distance between block A and B is about 10 meters
Wow.
to make sure the spacious openness and
Wow.
also nature daylight, ventilation and daylight, which is very human-centered. We don't like others. We will do a view or we will do a circle to have more space for you to selling. But specifically to say, if we do a U, that means some of the units they don't have enough daylight.
Yes.
So this designing, which is also very human-centered. Yeah, and here between block A and B, we have a courtyard on the ground floor and mezzanine level. And as you can see, we have waterfall features on the ground. Yeah, waterfall features here. Yeah, from ground floor, you also can come to the mezzanine level through the staircase designing. Then take a walk around. The walking pace on the mezzanine level is about 150 square meter. 50 meters. And surrounding us, as you can see, a lot of greeneries and water features. And here, you can touch in the future.
Oh wow.
Yes, it's amazing. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Block A per floor, 4 units, 2 high-speed lifts, which is very low density. Yeah. A1 is our 3-bedroom with mini studio. The mini studio have a wall separate to your unit.
Okay. This is the mini studio. Okay.
Yeah, this is mini studio.
Okay.
A2 is our 2-bedroom with a mini studio here.
Okay. Mini studio. How much for the mini studio? Is it attached or you purchase it separate?
Actually, they are together.
They are together.
Attached. You don't need to buy it
separately. Oh wow! I can't wait to see the model over there.
Yeah. Then this is our A3, which is 2-bedroom with a DSQ. The DSQ is here. The DSQ doesn't have balcony. But you can see the mini studio they have balcony.
Okay,
but
nice.
DSQ doesn't have balcony. The A4 is our 68 square meter 1-bedroom here. Yeah, 68 square meter 1-bedroom here. This whole floor only 4 units, 2 high-speed lifts, very low density.
Wow.
So block B we have 7 units, 3 high-speed lifts, also low density, companion of all projects in the
And how many apartments?
In total for this whole project, 264.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's not so high.
The big side here, A1, A2 are 2-bedroom with mini studio here.
Mini studio, okay.
Yeah, and a mini studio here. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Then B3 is our 2-bedroom with DSQ. The DSQ also here doesn't have balcony. Then B4, 5, 6, 7. There are 4 units, all 1-bedroom, 62 square meter. Yeah. So here. Even I said the 1-bedroom they all facing inside, but the distance between them is 10 meters.
Wow.
Still make them to very open. Also, they have the view of the courtyard. Greeneries, water features, exactly. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. The front view are facing main road, which is you can see the Kileleshwa here, city view.
Perfect.
Yeah, the back side towards Lavington and Nabasha, so a lot of forest view.
Wow.
Yeah, this side we have a 0.5 acre land, a villa, and this side we have a 9-floor residential apartment. When we buy the land, we afraid that we will be block our view, so we don't open any viewing window.
On this side, perfect.
So no worry about the future.
Perfect. Let's go to the model now.
Okay, as you
Mona.
can see,
Wow.
Yeah, 62 square meter 1-bedroom. This is layout. Entrance will be here. Your shoe cabinets will be here. Yeah, your open kitchen, your living room, and your balcony. The widest of the balcony, 2 meters.
Wow, and like a wrap around.
2 meters, which is very nice. The most unique thing I want to show you the material. You can see here. It's like the big pieces, small pieces. Big pieces, small pieces, and the middle pieces. And this will be exactly looks like this.
Exactly, with the colors. That's the color scheme, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay,
then,
perfect.
Here is our Jack and Jill bathroom, which is you have 2 doors.
Okay.
Here you have a door, here you have a door. Yeah, this is your bedroom. Your bedroom also floor to ceiling window. Then you have a window here. You can open it for safe. Yeah.
Wow.
For ventilation as well. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. Asking price 6.2 million.
6.2 million.
Yeah, 6.2 million. Yeah. Will be here. Your mini studio entrance will be here. Yeah. So your shoe cabinets, your kitchen area. Also, you can see your kitchen also have window.
Oh yeah, a window. Yeah.
Your living space will be here. Your master room is an in-suite. And also you have a slide door access to your bedroom, to your balcony. Your secondary room also and suite here. Yes. Then your third room is here. Your common toilet will be here. Yeah. You have your laundry area will be here, and you have actually here in the future is closed. And this is your storage room. Yeah, you have storage room. Yeah. Then you have slide door. You all can access to your balcony. And your balcony wide is also 2.2 meters.
Wow.
Very spacious.
Wow.
And the length is 10.5 meters. 10.5 meters. Very spacious.
Wow.
And your mini studio also, as you can see, your kitchen, your bathroom, your balcony as well.
Balcony.
Yeah,
okay.
like an independent unit.
Like an independent unit.
Exactly.
Wow.
If you buy 3 bedroom or 2 bedroom, seems like you get 4 bedroom.
4 bedroom.
Or 2 bedroom.
Wow. And this is going for how much?
This is a 4. Let me see the price. Because these are only 24 units and we almost sold 8 units already.
8 units already. Wow. So you guys need to come quick and
so
fast.
The price will be 8.2 million. 18.2
million.
18.2 million. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. This is good, Mona. I like this project so much.
Yes.
I want to try to put some money together and get something here. Yeah. All right, Mona. Thank you so much for the presentation. I'll see you in the week. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.
Sometimes a building is more than a building. It becomes part of a journey. 8 years ago, our project director began a journey with GDC. 8 years of being part of the development, watching this place grow and seeing a vision becomes reality. And today, that journey continues. As you work through this bridge, you can see the story of what has already been built. And just a few steps ahead, something new is waiting. A new name, a new vision. Belgravia Place. Inspired by the timeless elegance of Belgravia in London, Belgravia Place brings a different idea of modern living to Nairobi. Not simply a new building, but a new chapter. And then you see it. The vision becomes real. From the development of GDC to the projects we've created along the way to what comes next, this is not just about where we are today. It's about what we've learned over the past 8 years and how that experience shapes what we build next. Because great developments don't happen overnight. They come from experience, from understanding the city, and from having the patience to build something that lasts. 8 years of experience, one new vision. Belgravia Place, the next chapter begins here. London Heritage, Nairobi Prestige.
We have our luminara here. Yes. I don't need to go to our site. I can see we are working on the 13th residential floor, which is amazing. JW Marriott will be here. Yes. And our new office will be here. Today we're putting concrete of 13th residential floor, block B, that area. So now it's easier for me because I don't need to go to the site directly. I'm just staying here. Then I can, when I'm in Luminara office, I can take a video from my office. If I'm in the Belgravia office in GDC, I also can take a video on the sky, in the sky bridge. I take the video that area. Oh, it's amazing.